Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today we are unboxing this MetaQuest 3S. The first thing you notice is it's got pull tabs on either side, so we're gonna undo those tabs right now. Or I was gonna say we're gonna pull the tabs right quick. Let's see what happens. And now it slides out of the compartment. Okay, and in here you see another tab. And it just folds open like that. Oh, that is sick. Got the controllers. Ooh, got the trigger. Feel quite nice actually. And you got like a menu button and two menu buttons. Let's see that. And then you get the. Ooh, it's very light actually. It's not as heavy as I was thinking that it would be. It's quite light. Got all the cameras at the front, you know, the detection and all sorts. The back, see the foam, quite it's not thick, but it's okay. It's medium thickness. This is my first VR, so I don't know what to expect really. There's a lot of plastic creaking away over there, but hopefully that's not gonna be annoying or anything like that. We've got some instruction manuals on the inside of here. Take that out and then you get to see the lenses right there. What else is in the box? Some sort of strap. I don't know what that is. I'll check the manual later on. And a plug socket for the UK system over here. What else is here? That's it. And that concludes the unboxing of the MetaQuest 3S. Oh, smells brand new. I can see some lights coming in. I might need to adjust the strap to make it tight. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this unboxing. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye. Peace.